Today, I'll be sharing effective strategies for teaching social studies and the arts. I'll also highlight ways to encourage discussion, deepen comprehension, and connect lessons to students' real-life experiences. The purpose of this presentation is to explore strategies that make social studies and arts education more engaging and meaningful. These strategies focus on connecting lessons to students' own lives, encouraging critical thinking, and helping students see themselves as active participants in their communities. Strategy 1 comes from Douglas and colleagues, who highlight the power of emergent curriculum. By paying attention to students' concerns and creating lessons that respond to real issues, teachers can make learning immediately relevant. They use what they call existential questions, questions that help students think about how to act and make decisions in the world. This strategy builds both social studies skills and student civic engagement. In one example, fourth graders explored friendship and fairness by creating friendship trading cards. Students identified problems on the playground, brainstormed solutions, and shared strategies with peers. This hands-on project helped them practice problem solving, perspective taking, and civic responsibility, while also connecting to literacy standards like summarizing and writing arguments. Strategy 2 comes from Cheryl LeMay, who introduces students to craftism, or using creative projects to express ideas about social justice. In her 5th grade classroom, students collaborated on a yarn bombing to celebrate diversity. This project engaged students in hands-on creativity, sparked discussions about ethics and community, and helped them see their contributions as meaningful in the wider world. The Yarn Bomb project involves students using knitting and crocheting to create a colorful display celebrating diversity. Students made decisions about patterns and colors while discussing questions like, is yarn bombing legal? And how can our art affect the environment? This approach combined creativity, critical thinking, and social responsibility, making the lesson more than just a craft. It became a civic learning experience. A key strategy in both sources is encouraging discussion and exploring multiple perspectives. Whether students are analyzing playground conflicts or historical events, having them consider different viewpoints helps them develop empathy and critical thinking. This approach ensures that learning is meaningful and connected to their own lives. Both Douglas and LeMay emphasize reflection and service as part of learning. Students not only complete projects, but also consider their impact on others, like sharing friendship cards or installing public art. Reflection helps students connect academic content to real-world civic actions, reinforcing the skills and attitudes needed to be active, compassionate community members. To summarize, each strategy helps students connect learning to real-life experiences. Emergent curriculum responds to students' concerns. Craftism uses art to amplify voices. Discussion and multiple perspectives build empathy. Reflection and service learning help students apply their knowledge to make a difference. These strategies directly connect to our SLO by helping students engage deeply with content, develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and practice collaboration. By connecting lessons to students' experiences, both in social studies and the arts, These approaches promote active learning and civic engagement. Implementing these strategies comes with challenges. Some students may have limited skills or experience, and projects like yarn bombing require time and planning. Solutions include scaffolding instruction, encouraging peer-to-peer learning, and involving families or community members. Overcoming these challenges ensures that all students can participate meaningfully. In conclusion, the most effective lessons connect to students' own experiences, use creative projects to explore meaningful issues, and encourage reflection and dialogue. Applying these strategies in my future teaching will help me foster engagement, critical thinking, and civic agency among my students.